What's up guys? Today we are at Daya 1 resident at Taman Daya. Let's go! Okay, so this is the scale model. So you can see this is a 35 story of the service apartment. So the entrance is over here. So the entrance over here, you got two-way, then go inside, go to your car park. So for level 1 up to level 4, this is all the car park level. On level 4 here, this is also the facility. So from level 5 up to 34 is all the 35 is all the unit level lah. So the facility you can see over here. So it has two towers. This one is tower A, this is tower B. So the facing this side over here, this is north. Okay, behind this is south lah. So for this one, this is a bit northwest lah. Okay, then surrounding you can see. So this is actually their phase 1. Okay, they have total 2 phases around here lah. So this is their phase 1. Unit here, they actually have 3 main unit lah. One is actually 1 bedroom. The second one is actually 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and then 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So the location here is actually located in the center of the Daya lah. So this is the Shoplot area. Okay, this is the Longseng, which a lot of wedding dinner is surrounding here. So this is a new concept of a Shoplot lah, which you can see Starbucks, Watson, all the specialty around here. So this is a Masli Express. Then this is a new building. So you can see this one is a indoor swimming pool. It's just going to open soon. So this side go down, this side go down, you can go to Setia Indah. Then go here, you can go to Austin. Then from here surrounding, you can also go to Desa Terbao, Mount Austin, Taman Daya, Taton, all surrounding area. So you have a lot of bank also. You have Public Bank, Maybank, CIB Bank, BSN, and others. So the location here is considered nearby to Mount Austin. So from this location, if you want to go to CIQ, it will be around 20 to 25 minutes time lah. Depends on the traffic. So surrounding here, you have a lot of shopping. You can go to Ikea, Terbao, Taton, Aeon, all surrounding here. So the floor is actually like this. So total they have like 6 lifts, 2 here, then 1 bomb bath, another 2 over here, another bomb bath. So the lift is actually like separated into 2 wings, but it's actually internal connected also. Okay, so this is tower A, and then this is tower B. So their facade is actually roughly the same. So it's just that one special thing is that the location over here, the unit over here, the lift is all passing by only here. So the unit here only use here. But during some situation like you mentioned, if you scared like the lift all here cannot use, then you can come here, pass by here, go over here, then go back to your home. Okay, so we are at their first showroom. This is type A, 590 square feet. They only have 2 showrooms, type A and then type B. So for this one, you can see the entrance over here. Once come in, kitchen, dining, living. Okay, but then there is no door over the bedroom, so you will need to do a door for yourself lah. Or you don't want to do a door also can, you just maybe do a something to block here or sliding door. Okay, because if without the door, the whole unit will be even bigger. Okay, let's go to the showroom. Okay, we are at their entrance here. So once come in, you can see this is dining, living room. So the kitchen is actually over this side. Okay, you can see this is the up and down, hood and hob. Okay, inside the kitchen behind this is a small yard. Okay, so for the type A and type B, they don't have any balcony. Even type C also don't have balcony. So type C we have balcony. So they don't, but they do given you a small yard for you to wash your clothes, put your washing machine, and do some clothing hanging there. So as mentioned just now, so once you come in from the door over here, enter, so you can see the room here is an open space. So it makes it the living room very big, and the room also very big. So you have to do something to cover up, or you just do like this. Don't invite friend come in, or just you and your family over here. Okay, so one center is a very spacious, even bigger than their 2 bedroom. You can see. Okay, So this is a king size bed. Okay, this is a king size bed with a window over there lah. Okay, and then the bathroom is actually behind here. So even with one bedroom, you can see the bathroom very big. So the basic item in the toilet, the basin, toilet bowl and the shower head is all given lah. Then the kitchen cabinet also will be given, and then some aircon. So let's go to the second unit. Okay, so this is their showroom, show unit type B. This is a 778 square feet. So 2 room, 2 bath. So let's go. Okay, so we are at their entrance here. Once you come in, so the door over inside, then this is your living room area, dining, living room area. Okay, so it's very spacious, and even though with 778 square feet, they also provide you with one yard. Okay, so the kitchen cabinet they will give lah, kitchen cabinet. Okay, up and down, then hood and hob also. Okay, and then the yard. Then coming inside here, this will be the living room area, dining area. Okay, then but for this type they don't have balcony lah. This type they don't have balcony. So this is room number 1. Okay, so you can do it as a kids or you can make it into office. So the toilet actually for this type they got 2. This is one of the toilet. Okay, then the other one is in the master. So we are in the master room now. Okay, so this is the master. So master also have the window lah. Then the master bath is over also inside here lah. So for the bathroom, the tiles will be up to the top. Okay, then this will be provided. This will be a slightly lower. That's about it for this project, Daya 1 resident at Taman Daya. So a conclusion for this project, the location is very matured. It's in the heart of the Taman Daya, close to Aeon, Mount Austin, Setia Indah, Desa Terbau. So easy access to all around lah. Then for this location, you can just turn out, then you can go to Pasir Gudang Highway or you go to Terbau Highway or EDL also very accessible. So and surrounding you have Ikea, Taman, Aeon, Aeon Dato, Aeon Terbau, school, hospital also surrounding. So if you've been staying here, you know this location is quite mature, but not until like the Mount Austin or city area, too much car. So if you're looking for some place suitable for on stay, and then the location is able to do some long-term rental, this is one of the location they could look for lah. So surrounding project, we have Eco, we have Minori, this one. So in terms of all this location is in the middle. It's not that crowded, it's not that matured, but in terms, a lot of people trying to look here, a lot of people like to stay here. And the developer for this one is actually quite famous also, it's by Shoplot. So if you know them well, they are doing more landed Shoplot, they are doing a township development. So for this project location, opposite here is a convention center, convention hall by the Long Seng. Then surrounding we have Starbucks, we have a lot of banks, so very convenient. The price range here is starting from 300 plus only. So it's a low entry for first home buyer, or you are looking for a second home to invest but don't have like so high budget, want to in city area, want to have a house for long-term rental. This is one of the project you can look for. So remember to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.